Good news, fellow Spurters, because our great mates at Sony Mobile have offered up a fresh new shiny Sony Xperia 5 Mark II smartphone to give away to one of you lucky buggers. And the Xperia 5 Mark II, for anyone playing catch up here, was one of my favourite smartphones of 2020. Between this shiny wee chap here and my booze, just about made the year bearable. So why is the Xperia 5 Mark II so ruddy lovely? Well, you really should go check out my full review for an in-depth answer to that question, but for those of you who apparently have better things to do with your all too finite time here on Earth, well, here's a brief summary. Now, I may look like the kind of old git who'd be more comfortable pulling on some slippers and settling in for a nice long session of Monopoly than blasting people to shiny little giblets in some sort of violent online shooter, but I'm most definitely down with the kids and all their online shooty blaster title thingies. And if I'm going to wade into battle on the likes of Call of Duty Mobile with any smartphone out there, my top choice would definitely be a bit of Xperia action. For one, that gorgeous cinema-wide OLED screen is perfect for giving a wide, clear view of the action. There are no selfie orifices or notches to get in the way, and it also gives you a wide scope so no sneaky buggers can creep up on you. That 120Hz refresh rate means that the action is silky smooth, and the Xperia 5 Mark II also boasts rapid touch sampling. You can even manually customize the sensitivity so it suits your liking, so you've got no excuses at all if you're not the first one to pull that trigger, unless you've been hitting the scotch again. And you've even got full support for Sony's DualShock controller in Call of Duty Mobile if you really suck at those touch controls. And performance is absolutely faultless courtesy of that Snapdragon 865 chipset packed inside of this thing, so even when you're gaming on the top detail settings on titles like Call of Duty Mobile, you'll get absolutely super smooth gameplay. And Sony's Game Enhancer crams in all kinds of great features as well, including the power boost, you've got some focus settings to stop you from being disturbed, and best of all is the HS power control. This allows you to keep the Xperia 5 Mark II plugged in while you're gaming all afternoon long, stops the battery from draining but also prevents it from charging, which means that the phone doesn't heat up and throttle the performance. And that cinema-wide display is also bloody wonderful for a nice bit of Netflix action when you're finally tired of all of the mindless slaughter. You'd expect nice natural looking colours, super sharp imagery production and perfect contrast as well. And Sony has also pumped the Xperia 5 Mark II full of audio tech. You got full high-res audio support, LDAC, the works. You've even got a ruddy headphone jack on this thing, which these days is rarer than a Newcastle victory. And thanks to its excellent camera tech, the Xperia 5 Mark II is also ideal for capturing all of those highly exciting things that we get up to in our daily existence. Pretending, of course, for just one moment that we actually leave our homes for something more exciting than scuttling off to Tesco's to get some extra bog roll. You've got a professional triple lens setup here, giving you proper versatility, including an ultra-wide and a telephoto option when you really need a different viewpoint. That 12 megapixel primary sensor can capture beautifully lifelike photos, while Sony serves up proper DSLR style controls for experienced photographers, as well as an excellent Cinema Pro feature that can spaff out some truly cinematic home movies. So now we'll stop banging on and get on to the exciting part, which is the competition, where you can win yourself not only a Sony Xperia 5 Mark II, but also the controller clamp to attach it to a DualShock controller and a bugger load of Call of Duty Mobile points. To be precise, 18,360 Call of Duty points. I'm not sure why it's that completely random number. Take it up with Sony. Now, all you got to do to enter this competition is follow me on Twitter. That's at Tech Spurt Video, and then you'll find a tweet that went live at the same time as this video. All you've got to do is respond to that tweet saying exactly what your favorite bit of the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II is. On Friday morning, we'll select a winner from all of the entries completely at random, and the winner will be announced on Friday's Tech Spurt Weekly show, which will go live at 12 noon UK time. The full T's and C's and everything will be in the video description down below. Go check those out just for a recap of exactly how to enter and what you'll win in this fantastic competition. Big thanks to Sony Mobile as well for being super generous and chucking in these prizes. And for more on the latest greatest tech, please do plug, subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers everyone, love you.